Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you are experiencing a yellow triangle over your battery symbol that has an exclamation mark attached to it. So hopefully this tutorial will be able to resolve the problem with you without too much of a hassle here. So if you notice that this is continuously showing up even if your battery is not low, so typically if your battery is under 5% or so, it might say that your battery is low. However, if it's 75, 80, 90% full and you're still coming across this little exclamation mark error over your battery symbol, that's obviously not correct, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot that. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just I'll click on the start button one time, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to scroll down on this page underneath find and fix other problems. Select power, find and fix problems with your computer's power settings to conserve power and extend battery life. Left click on run the troubleshooter. So it might say set the power plan in a more efficient plan. I'd recommend considering applying the fix. So go ahead and select that. So I wouldn't keep it at high performance because I'm in a virtual environment. However, I would suggest following along with whatever it suggests here and then just continue on with the tutorial at that point. So hopefully that being able to resolve the problem. Another thing you try if you close out of here, open up the start menu, type in device manager. Best match should come back with device manager right above control panel. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to expand the battery section, so either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it. Whatever shows up under here, you want to go ahead and right click on it and then select uninstall device. It says warning, you're about to uninstall this device from your system. Select uninstall. So now at this point you should go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully that'll be able to resolve the problem. You want to also remove your power cord if it's currently hooked up and then put it back in. It probably also wouldn't hurt to actually remove your physical battery as well and then plug that back in too. However, if it's a built-in battery, that might be a little bit difficult to do, but otherwise restarting your computer and then just plugging the power cord back in should hopefully resolve that problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.